Good morning, everyone. Today topic is bio, or also called bio. So it is one of the important concept in environmental issues. So what is biomagnification? Is increase in concentration of toxicity at successive tropic level. The causes of biomagnification. Generally, it happens because of toxic substance accumulated by an organism can not be metabolized. And is this toxic pass on to the next higher trophic level? Responsible compounds for biomagnification are DDT, and it is a pesticide or insecticide. DDT means dichlorotri, and one more important compound which is responsible for biomagnifications are heavy metals. As per NCERT, there are two heavy metals are given. One is mercury, mercury, and one more is cadmium. So in this video lecture, we how DDT concentration increase at each trophic level in aquatic food chain. So in this video, we will discuss how DDT concentration increase at each trophic level in aquatic food chain. We need to draw one pyramid in each trophic level. So in first trophic level, here we have phytoplankton, zooplankton. In second trophic level, in tertiary trophic level, we have small fish. Quaternary, we have large fish. At top, here at top we have carnivorous. Here the carnivorous organism. Here fish, birds. And here generally in water DDT concentration 0.03 parts per billions. And these toxic concentration in water increase are accumulated in each successive trophic level. How means in phytoplankton, here we have 0.02 parts per million. In zooplankton, 0.04 parts per million. And in small fish, we have 0.5 parts per million. In large fish, the concentration will increase to 2 ppm. In fish eating birds, the concentration increase 25 parts per million. See here, in each trophic level, the concentration of DDT will be increased. So note, important note here, the highest concentration of DDT in fishing eat birds we have observed. So highest concentration of DDT observed in fish eating birds. How much means? There are 25 ppm parts per millions concentration of DDT will be observed in fish eating birds. And if the concentration which increase in each successive trophic level, then what happened means highest concentration of DDT in fish eating birds carnivores. So this result in thinning of shell of egg. Then because of this concentration of DDT will affect calcium metabolism. DDT, high concentration of DDT which affect calcium meta, and due to thinning of cell of egg, then it result in premature breaking of eggs will be happen. So due to premature breaking of eggs, it leads to decrease in population of birds. So it means that high concentration of DDT which impact the decrease in bird population. This is all about the biomagnification or bioaccumulation process which is occurring aquatic food chain. And now we will discuss some important points regarding to water pollutants and their respective disease. So here first one, most important, cadmium poisoning. So this cadmium poisoning which leads to a disease called itai, and one more mercury poisoning which leads to a disease called minimeta disease. Nerve system get affected. And this itai disease which related to bones and kidney dysfunctions. Bones and kidney get disease. And one more important water pollutants is fluorine poisoning. So this fluorine poisoning leads to fluorosis, nothing but deformities of teeth. One more, fourth one, arsenic poisoning leads to black foot disease. And one more important, night poisoning. This nitrate poisoning which leads to blue baby syndrome. So this is all about the biomagnification and bio. There are two important terms. Sometimes the student will get confused, like eutrophication and biomagnification. Both are completely differ each other. How means eutrophication versus bio. Here eutrophication means it is a nutrient enrichment of lake, in which nutrient enrichment of lake will be happen in lake. In biomagnification, it is the accumulation of toxin. It is the accumulation of toxin at excessive trophical level of organism. So like that, there is a clear cut differences between eutrophication and biomagnification. In eutrophication, only nutrient enrichment of lake, means the lake will be completely enriched with the nutrient. So biomagnification, it is the accumulation of toxins at successive trophical level of organisms. So this is all about the entire concept of biomagnification and bio. Here I have given three important MCQs from this topic here. The first MCQs. So biomagnification refers increase in the concentration of toxic at successive trophic level. This phenomenon happens because a toxic substance accumulated by an organism cannot be metabolized. Just now we have discussed clear-cut differences, clear-cut definition for biomagnifications. And now here, this phenomena is well known for which of the following toxicants. So as per NCERT, they are given two important toxicants. So you should identify which among the following are correct. Mercury or DDT, cadmium and iron, lead or copper, calcium or phosphorus. And one more MCQs here. Yeah. If the concentration of DDT in water is 0.03 ppb parts per billions, so what is its expected concentration in fish eating birds due to biomass? So we have discussed all this concept. So 0.04 ppm, 0.5 to 25 ppm. So just now we have discussed. So highest concentration of DDT which is accumulated at the top of the each successive trophic level. So you should identify which among the following is correct. And one more MCQs here. It's the last one. Yeah. So consider the following aquatic organism. So here large fish, zooplankton, fish eating birds, phytoplanktons and small fish. So what is the correct order of these organisms in food chain experiencing biomagnification? Starting from the lowest concentration of toxic to the highest concentration. So you should arrange these 5 organisms in a low concentration of toxicants, that is DDT, to the highest concentration. So with this we have complete each and every concept about the bio. So thank you. Have a nice day.